Okay, here we go. Afternoon report. 5, 4, 3. Consider yourself warned. Super Bowl scams are out there and authorities are already warning about them. Fraudsters are always coming up with new ways to try to take your money during the Super Bowl, but the basic precautions do remain. Things like get a receipt for anything you buy, pay only with a credit card, and if someone is selling you tickets to the game, make sure they are registered with the National Association of Ticket Brokers. Well, most bankruptcies are due to lawsuits, not debt, as many believe. The Center for Consumer Recovery says, however, that the leading cause of lawsuits is trying to collect or fight debt. Bankruptcy can have a significant impact on someone's ability to get a job, home, or education. Well, child seat anchors will get weight limits soon. They will be required to have labels warning about combined weight limits for the seat and the child when the built-in latch anchors are used. This is according to USA Today. And this is under a new federal rule that goes into effect in late February. Well, do dentists approve of this? It is chocolate toothpaste. Crest is out with a new chocolate-flavored toothpaste called Mint Chocolate Trek. It hits stores next week. Now, the flavor is one of 3 new ones. Vanilla Mint and Lime Spearmint are the others in Crest's new B line of toothpaste. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your afternoon business report. Okay, San Diego.